to my channel. I am just coming on here today to show you this beautiful journal that will be listed in my Etsy store by the time this video uploads. I will leave a link to it below. So I just wanted to jump on here real quick and go through it with you. I haven't made one of these in a while, and so I had this beautiful paper collection, and I figured I would go ahead and make one. So it's going to come tied with this beautiful lace. I do have the corner protectors on all four corners. As you see on the back, it has the beautiful lace down the seam area there. I have these beautiful lace flowers that just coordinate really good with it. And I didn't do a lot to the inside of this. It is one of the envelope journal things, so it can be used as a journal or ephemera storage, anything like that. It is the blues. The paper collection I think is called Icy Blue. I did not do anything at all to the front cover. I just wanted to leave it just like it is. And I'm sure you can tell by the light shining on it, there is some full embellishment type things in it. So we have the first envelope here, and the envelope flap just tucks down in there. And then I just have like a little journal card down in there. Then on the back of that envelope, I put a belly band. And then behind that belly band, I just have another little journal card. Then we have the second envelope, and I have a cute little card in there, and it just tucks right there. And then on the back of that one, we have this wider pocket that goes to the side, and I just stuck this little card down in there. Then in this envelope, we have another journal card. On the back of that envelope, we have a corner tuck that lifts up, and you've got some writing space, and I stuck a little journal card in it. Then we have this one, and I have two little journal cards in that one. On the back of that one, this is a pocket, but this pocket lifts up, so you have some writing space, and I have two little journal cards stuck behind it. Then right here, we just have another one of those little journal cards. And then on the back of this envelope, I just done a smaller little side tuck, and I have a journal card stuck down in there. Now back here on the back, this is a pocket, and I have like a little tag in it. Then on this envelope here, this right here holds the envelope flap shut. And you just pull that up, and then you open it out, and it's four little pockets, and I have little journal cards stuck down in each of them. And so to close it, you just tuck that flap right back behind there. And so there you go, guys. That is the journal. It does have a 1.5 inch spine. And I did cover the stitching with the coordinating paper. So it is just absolutely beautiful. I love the colors of it, especially, you know, with it being winter. It's just beautiful. So again, there's the journal. I will leave a link below to it listed in my Etsy store. If you want this, you better get over there and get it, because my last two journals I think I've made didn't even make it to be listed in my Etsy store. So if this is something that you're interested in, you better go grab it now, like now, like as soon as you see this. So anyway, guys, that's it. I will be back hopefully tomorrow with some more tutorials and regular videos. I've just had so much going on, and to be quite honest with you, I've had almost like creator's block or writer's block, to where I just cannot think. I can't think of anything. And so I did sit down and do this, and that seemed to help. So I will be back, I promise. I just got to get back in the groove of things. So anyway, guys, I shall talk to you all later. Bye.